What's up guys, in this video we're going to check if GTA 5 is on the Nintendo Switch 2. This is actually one of the questions I've been getting from most people, and I'm going to practically answer that question in this video. So on the Nintendo Switch 2, if you head over to the Nintendo eShop over here, and from the eShop come over to the search bar, and we can just go ahead and search for GTA or GTA 5 over here. Then just click on the done button over here, click on search. You're going to see over here that we currently do not have GTA 5 on the Nintendo Switch 2. However, what we do have is the Grand Theft Auto, which is actually the trilogy, actually the definitive edition, as you can see over here. And you can actually get this for $59.99 from the Nintendo Switch 2 eStore. So the answer is no, GTA 5 is not on the Nintendo Switch 2 currently. However, this is something that might be implemented in the future, so you might be able to find GTA 5 in the Nintendo Switch 2 in the future. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.